This experiment is to retrieve the temperature and humidity value, which is in the thingspeak cloud, onto your local system and print it accordingly. This doesn't require any hardware as such. You just require a website portal to be used. Then you can write a Python program which is meant for retrieving information available in the thingspeak cloud. The program goes something like this. So first make sure that you provide the particular URL properly. So using URL lib, use the open URL open function and define the domain name. Give this domain name. So this is your main domain name, API thingspeak.com channel. So channel ID will be given to you the moment you create a new channel out of it. You're gonna get the channel ID, which has to be entered here in place of this symbol X. Then you give API key. So here you will be entering the read API key, and this result2 implies 2 records to be displayed. So this is the setting. So make sure that you get a proper web object out of it. That's giving the base URL and the channel ID. Then give the API key. So read API key should be entered here. Now after that, once you get information sitting in the network or internet, you want to get it into your local machine. First thing what you need to do is you need to read as well as you need to decode it, so that the data will be in the form of a string. Otherwise it has to be byte coded. If you want to encode in the sense from your local machine, if you want to transfer it into a website, then it has to be encoded. Once you have a information sitting in the internet, and if you want to pull it out into your local machine, then you need to decode it. So here we decode it. In that case we get a JSON file, and this JSON file will be loaded into our local system with the help of JSON loads command. So this is gonna give you the entire details which are available in your dashboard. So this gives you whole universal data it is. So in this universal data you've got multiple keys. So if you print the value of data, you can understand which field, which key to look for, and under which key you got which value. So here if I'm using print data feeds of 0 field 1, this is gonna print the first temperature value. First temperature entry will be printed, and this is gonna print the first humidity entry. You want more number of information to be printed. Assume that you have pushed nearly 20 to 30 data onto the cloud, and I want to receive or retrieve all at once. Then you can use a loop here. We can write a loop which is gonna look something like this. So you can use for loop for I in range of, so how many entries you have, give that number. Let's say that 10 records I want. Then you can write the commands like data of, then you have field 1, then you define the value I here. You've got the next one field here, which is this is feeds and fields, sorry. So this should be, the first one should be, this one should be feeds, and this will be field number. So if you write this code, if you replace this code over here and add a loop, then that's gonna give you 10 records, which case this setting has to be modified. Rather than writing 2, write 10, which means 10 result entries I want it to be displayed. So this is the program which is just meant for retrieving the information available in the cloud and get it into your system and display what's it. So other information you want, if you want to get what's the name of the channel, those things and also can also be displayed using different keys. So in this case, this is the one data which will help you to display all the informations available in this content.